The Brain Center is a not-for-profit organization that focuses on a comprehensive care for individuals with neurological conditions. So our partnership with them really has been vital for all our programming.
We have been partnering with the University of St. Augustine for a few years. We have a collaboration in which we run some of our Parkinson's program here, as well as the Alzheimer's caregiver course.
There's just a lot of programs that we were able to provide to the community, specifically individuals with neurological disorders because of the Brain Center. They made a lot happen by sending a lot of their participants our way.
The Brain Center is always looking for partnerships in the community that are able to provide the highest quality of care to their patients. We definitely meet that need for them because we are a teaching institute. So we expect our students to provide the highest level of care. And then for us, it's incredible because there's a constant source of patients that our students get exposed to. We've had over 150 different individuals with Parkinson's disease come through our doors here on campus in Miami to participate in one of our programs, whether it's Rocksteady Boxing or our pro bono clinics.
This is what we do once we're licensed professionals, so nothing better than having that exposure, that experience while you're a student.
And we learn from each other. We learn from the patients and the patients learn from us.
We do Rocksteady twice a week, once with OT, once with PT. Patients come in for about an hour, we do an exercise, like circuits, and then we finish up with boxing and mobility stuff.
Most of our students come in without much experience with patients with neurological conditions. It first just provides them this opportunity to interact with people, right, that they're going to be working with when they graduate or while they're on internships.
Real life experience is an unfathomable gift. You know, you need to have that interaction in order to just be a professional, be good in your career.
It kind of reminds us like why we do this. Like we're able to get direct patient experience with them. It's really great practice.
Before I was diagnosed, I couldn't stand up out of a chair. I couldn't put my shoes and socks on. I couldn't roll over in bed. I was in rough shape. No, I can stand up out of a chair without holding on. I can put my shoes and socks on, I can get dressed, I can take a shower, I can roll over. There ain't too much I can't do.
They push you, which I think is very important. And I feel like it protects me from progressing faster than if I didn't participate.
The partnership is what makes this happen.
So having them as a partner is an absolute blessing.
It's opened the doors to a lot of our students.
We are friends. And boxers too.
And boxers too.
Thank you to the Rocksteady.
Thank you to the Rocksteady
Boxing crew.
Boxing crew.